Hello. In this video, we have a small aircraft flying above Guam inside the Unity editor. The terrain was provided by AVT Simulation in the OpenFlight format. You may ask, how is this plane being controlled? Data is sent over the network in a format called DIS. It includes the plane's position, its orientation, and its name, which is a Cessna 172. The kind of network data is not limited to Cessnas, but fighter jets, boats, buildings, people, anything. Furthermore, even though we only see one plane, there could be hundreds of entities. Our DIS plugin for Unity reads the data stream and positions the plane onto the screen. Our plugin can help you display entities in your Unity scene. We take care of geocentric to geodetic conversions, dead reckoning, entity management, model mapping, and more. If you're interested in our plugin, please contact us at sales@SimBlocks.io.